Hey Telecom Tribe, welcome back to video number 10. This is the final video of hashtag Automate10, where we create a fully functioning and automated dashboard in 10 short videos. We're pretty much done. I admit there's lots left to fill in, but that's just repeating the same techniques we've already used. In this video, I just want to show you that it is in fact automated. I'm going to add data just like a normal monthly update, and there's one step after adding the data, and that's refreshing the pivot table. And after that, it's completely ready to share, paste it into a presentation, or email it, or show it to your board of directors, whatever you do. So you can see, looking here at the dashboard, you can see there's the August data. Here in the title, it's the August data. There's the latest TTM date. The trailing 12-month date is August, and here in the title, it's August. So let's come back to our invoice data. There's the August data. I'm just going to paste values from another worksheet. There's some September data. I come to my pivot table and refresh, and now the dashboard is updated. Now it's September data. The latest TTM date is September, and the cost and MOU is September. Fully automated. Let's do that one more time for those of you playing the home game. We'll paste in October data. That's the next sequential month, just like you would do in your normal offices right there. And it's a paste special values. Yeah. And come back to the pivot table, refresh. And now the dashboard should reflect October data. There's October. In the title is October. TTM date is latest October, and the title is October. I could do this all day long. Seriously, that's it. That's a fully automated dashboard. The only part that's not automated is you have to put in new data every month. If you can figure out how to automate that far into the future, help me invest in stocks. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you have any suggestions how to make it better. You seem to like this so far. You had a lot of good comments on the series. So I may keep going to fill in all the gaps. Specifically, most of my dashboards, I like to have unit metrics because, you know, the unit metrics are really simple, even for the executives to scale up. So that's important to include in your dashboards. So I may keep going just to flesh this out, but it's all the same techniques we've already shown you. Thanks a lot.